Before you see me go outside and test this thing, I'd like to show you what's inside the box. So I was searching online for reviews for this Oben ACM-2400L, and I thought I could contribute a further or extended review. This twists off, revealing the legs inside. Seems pretty decent. Wait until I test it outside. Here are the mini legs. Feels sturdy enough. The bag is not the best. Feels kind of cheap. Here's the camera head mounted. It's either Bike, Beak, or Bika brand name. I think it's Bika. It's quick release ball head. Weighs about 400 grams. Monopod itself weighs about 2.5 pounds or 1,100 grams. Again, add 400 grams for the ball head. To me, it's not that heavy total. I could carry it around with no problem. How's the sound when you shake it or carrying it around? Is it annoying? Watch how I do this. This is the proper way of doing it. That is, you must have the monopod collapsed and not fully extended. Later on, you'll see me screw it up. One more time. Again, this is the proper way. The monopod must be collapsed and not fully extended. Max height without the ball head is 66.8 inches or 5 feet 7 inches. I haven't yet used the Allen key to tighten anything. I'll be honest, these plastic pieces could be better made. I own another monopod. The plastics there are way more dense. Here's what not to do when deploying. Here's I have Sony A7C with 20mm f1.8 lens. Obviously, the higher you extend the monopod, the less dirty it becomes. I have the review of the Sony ACM-B1M external microphone in the cards if you're curious. And of course, I used this Oben Self-Standing Monopod. Here's the flip through of the manual, and thank you for watching. Do come back.